3, 2, 1. Hi everybody, and welcome to part 4 of your HD GIF collage. At this point you should have your first project done, and then for your digital poster, I think in the last video we just did the first one. We want to go through the same process that we did for our first poster. We're going to duplicate it 4 times, and then on your second slide you're going to either flip to create the 4 arrangement, or you're going to add the background, and on slide 3 you're going to do whichever one you didn't, and then on slide 4 you're going to add your name to it. So you should have 4 slides on both of these, and now what we're going to do is we are going to show you how to publish them, and we are going to share them, and we're going to kind of run through this workflow that we've been developing. So first things first, we're going to go to File, and we're going to go down to Publish to Web. What that's going to do is give you a link to a website. You can decide how fast you want it to go between the slides. I could say every 10 seconds. You can click both these boxes. Say Start Slideshow as soon as player loads, and Restart Slideshow, and click Publish. Once you do that, it's automatically going to pop up with that URL, right? So that's that internet address, and if you double click on that, it'll be selected in blue, and you can Control C to copy. So you've copied your web address. You could paste up as the website. So what this is going to do, especially for some, if you have a lot of different GIFs, this is going to create an HTML5, so a flat website that it doesn't need to load all those GIFs. It's loading them as a single image, which makes things a lot easier for you to record or for you to show off. The problem up here, if you look, is this URL is super huge. So what we want to do is we're going to go to Google Shortener, and we're going to shorten that URL. Sometimes you may see websites that are just a goo.gl, so, and that's a shortened one. There's also another popular one called bit.ly, which you could explore and use if you like. We'll use Google Shortener just because it's going to be really easy. So I'm going to paste it up at the top here and click Shorten URL, and it's going to give me this really short one right here. It should only be about 10 characters. So you can left click the copy short, or you could select it and copy, and then you're going to go to project 7. You're going to go to your instructions, and you're going to add by link for your first one. You're going to repeat that process for the second one. If you've taken a lot of time to do a lot of detail on your posters, these are going to look really amazing when we do high res GIFs of them, which is going to happen next. So you should have your 4 links added in your HD GIF collage project. And now what we're going to do is you're going to go to that website that you've printed, and you're going to pick one of those slides, probably the one that doesn't have your name, because we want to keep your name generally off the internet as much as possible in public forums. So you can use the mirror, or you could use your original, depending on which you want to show off more. It's your choice. And then we're going to go up to Nimbus. We're going to record that video, desktop, countdown, and you just want to record just a few seconds of whichever slide you want, and we can take those over to YouTube then and run through that same process. So you're going to do publish to web, you're going to add all those links to Google Classroom, you're going to do a screencast, you're going to take it to YouTube, and then you're going to make a GIF out of it the same way that we did for project 6. So what we want to do is show off our artwork. At that point, when you've got 2 HD GIFs, you can attach those, and you should have 6 files to turn in for this assignment. And man, you are rocking it. It looks great. I'm excited to see what you make. Have a great one. Bye.